Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today we will learn English vocabulary, starting with the letter B, with easy to understand and easy to remember examples. Let's get started. B. Bat. Bat. A bat flies at night. B. Bee. Bee. The bee is flying around the flower. B. Black. Black. The cat is black. B. Birthday. Today is my birthday. B. Boy. Boy. The boy is happy. B. Band. Band. The band is playing music. B. Banana. Banana. Monkeys like bananas. B. Book. Book. She is reading a book. B. Bird. Bird. The bird is flying in the sky. B. Bag. Bag. This is my school bag. B. Bed. Bed. She sleeps on the bed. B. Bear. Bear. The bear is very big. B. Box. Box. I have a gift box. B. Boat. Boat. The boat is on the river. B. Bread. Bread. We eat bread for breakfast. B. Ball. Ball. The boy kicks the ball. B. Baby. Baby. The baby is smiling. B. Butterfly. Butterfly. The butterfly is colorful. B. Balloon. Balloon. The balloon is flying up. B. Bicycle. Bicycle. She rides a bicycle in the park. B. Bus. Bus. We go to school by bus. B. Bottle. Bottle. This is a bottle of water. B. Burger. Burger. I want to eat a burger. B. Button. Button. I pressed the button to open the door. B. Bridge. Bridge. We walk across the bridge. B. Brother. Brother. My brother is very kind. B. Beach. Beach. We sit on the park bench. B. Belt. Belt. He wears a black belt. B. Beach. Beach. We play on the beach. B. Beer. Beer. Dad drinks a glass of beer.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.